All right, welcome back to the small cutting board project. She made it. Jen, my sister Jen. When did you start going by Jen? Jen Huffman. Jenny Huffman.
Okay, sure.
Jen is her Facebook
Jen is
digits. Anyway, she couldn't remember her calendar last week and had something that she forgot. So, as you saw, I routed the edges. So tonight, Jenny's gonna do the sanding. We're gonna start with 80 grit and then go to 180 and then finish with 220. And then we're gonna heat stamp it and then we'll put a coat of oil on it and she can take it with her. So, all right.
I get to take it home too?
You do. You get to take it home, all right?